Hello foodies, welcome to Foodland. Today's special dish is potato pinwheels. This is a pure vegetarian recipe and great party appetizer or tea time snack. Let's get started. Get oil, coriander, onion, green chilies, ginger, mashed potatoes, salt, pepper, red chili powder, garam masala, chaat masala and turmeric and some salt. Then we take puff pastry sheet. In a pan, time to saute green chilies, ginger and onion. Mix this well. Add boiled potatoes and all the spices and mix this well and make a smooth paste. Time to open the thawed pastry sheets and layer it with the potato stuffing just like this. Just a plain layer. Time to roll this pastry sheet. Just nice and tight, just roll it smoothly. At the end, get a drop of water and seal the edges all together. It's now time to cut the pastry roll. I have cut it in 1/2 inches so that we can bake it nicely. Preheat oven to 350 Fahrenheit. All the rolls you keep it in the baking tray and just oil spray. You can also do egg wash, but I'm not using egg here. Alright, so once the oven is preheated to 350 Fahrenheit, add your trays for baking, and I will be baking for first 20 minutes. Bake it for another 15 to 20 minutes until they turn crispy, just like this. Grab a bite while they are nice and hot and crispy and enjoy. I hope you like this recipe. Do try it at home and share your feedback. If you're new, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. See you in the next video. Bye for now.